Hi guys, I'm arithmetic sequence, and this question I did it on my last tutorial video based on arithmetic sequences. Now question you write down the fourth term of the series, of which the answer was 23. So T4 is equal to 23. Namhlanje ke siqhubeka no number 2 wethu. Number 2 la uthi calculate the 251 terms of the sequence. So here is simple. Emele wazi formula lakho la. Must know a formula of Tn is equal to A open the bracket n minus 1 close the bracket, all this times 2 d, right? So what you must know here, what's your first term? Your A here is equal to 2, and your D different. Say calculator lie. Say to lubani, say to lose 7. You got 7 D. So it's simple. So what is our n here? So our n here is 251. So 251 is our n. 251 is our n. So we can calculate. We can calculate, right? So so instead of n now, ufaka 251 is equal to our A is 2 plus our n is 251 minus 1, and our difference here D is 7. Doesn't know calculate level 7. Previous video I'm going to calculate D wakho T2 minus T1 kanjalo T3 minus T2. Yeah. So lana then you solve. First of all, solve the bracket qala, then you times the ngaphandle, right? So 250 times say 250 times 7, 250 times 7, 250 times 7, that gives us 1750, which is equal to, so this is 1752. So our term 251 is equal to 1752. Very simple. So you must know this formula by head. You must practice it. Practice make perfect. Funde you choose ijwayele ilula le formula. Then we move on to number 3. So number 3 way to express the series in sigma notation. So express the series in sigma notation. Guys, this is simple. You must understand this sigma. It's a great symbol. This thing we call this is a sigma. So here you put our first value. You must know it, guys. You put the first value of n. Put the first value of n. So our first value of n is equal to 1. And on top of it, ngaphezu kwayo ufaka the last value of n. So here our last value of n, or it is 251 10 is given is 251 10, 251, and here you must put the formula for the term. So how do we calculate the formula for the term? Simple, guys. Yes, very simple. Here is your formula for the arithmetic sequence. So then you can use this one, or yes, here you have your A. So you take your term. Your term is, your A is 2. Now A is 2, right? You use this formula to calculate your, to get your formula for the term, right? This is A is equal to 2 plus n minus 1, and our difference is 7. So here you solve to get your formula. So 7 times n, you see 2 plus 7 times n is 7n. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Then here says our Tn is equal to 7, negative 7 minus 5. So here the formula for the term is 7n minus 5. Then we're done. What you need to understand here, guys, is you must know that this is here. Put the first value of n, and here on top you put the last value of n, and here you put the formula for the terms. So the formula for the terms is given as Tn a plus n minus 5 blah blah. It is a standard formula. And what you, again, guys, you can check this one. Simple. If you take this one and plug it here, you're gonna get, let me just do it for you. 7 times 1 is 7 minus 5, you get 2. So this is our first term. So you can do my hands on my sack on my need, right? Yeah, just to check is easy to what's going on. Was I'm going to take now, so testing, right? Then here we're done. So here's the answer. Okay, and this is number 4. Number 4, we would now calculate the sum of the series. Calculate the sum of the series. So the sum of the series, the formula is given by Sn. You must know it by heart. Sn all over 2. Una bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Then you close your brackets. Right. So here, calculate the sum of the series. So here is simple, guys. First of all, let's strip ama values for ama variables. Let's know. So anyway, 2 ban. So the question is calculate the sum of all the series. So the sum. So you be 10 meters near 251. So try 251 because we're telling the sum, right? And starting for 2 bani a way to is the first term. Oh yes, a 2. Let's start one. We differentiate as 1 or 7. 7. And you're done. Then calculate. Plug in all these values. That. So Sn is 251 is equal to 251 divided by 2. Close the bracket is 2. Our A is 2 plus our n is 251 minus 1, close the brackets, difference 7, and close the brackets. So here, guys, just take your calculator. To solve this, you must first say 251 minus 1 is 250 times 7. So say, we just do it for you. Simple. This is 2 times 2 is 4, plus 250 is 250 times 7 is 1, 7, 1750. So you plus this and times by this. So say plus 4, then times by 251 divided by 2. So say, then say times by 251 divided by 2. So your answer is 220, 127. So the sum of the series is 220,127. Right. So as simple as this, guys. This is our answer. So what you must know here, if umelakho melulazi wazi ukuthi la usaphi uyoplaka kanjani, then ungamenza mistake la. Understand the bottom rule. Qala ngokuma bracket iqala, thambe ngaphandle kanjalo ke. Yabona? Yeah. Then siqedile ngo number 4 wethu. This is number 5. Number 5. So how many terms in a series are divisible by 4? So 18 question ilana ithi imaphi ama terms in a series that are capable of being divided by 4. Capable of being divided by 4. So imaphi. So now check, guys. Simple. Go to your question. Let's check. If you say 2 divided by 4, no. Get a fraction. If you say 9 divided by 4, no. Okay, but if you say 16 divided by 4, then it's divided by 4 is 4, right? So let's check other values. As long as we divider, as long as divided by 4, salenani. This a whole number. So in my P, so let's check it. Low. Plus 9 plus 16 says has what divided by 4 plus again, so 60. So say 2. Check on mathematical simple la. Check on mathematical. So 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 23 plus 7 80 plus 7 37 plus 7 44 plus 7 51 plus 7 58 plus 7 65 plus 7 72. So let me check if I'm was what divide and go 7. Sengibona la sengikwenzile manje ukuthi imaphi engakwazi ukwenza. Engadivide engakwazi ukudivide ngo4. 44 wami ngibonile engakwazi umdivider. Qhubeka futhi ngichecke. Bachecke onke. Suthi wazi ukubona kahle ukuthi iphuma 8 divide ngo4 uyayithatha yona soyifaka kwi-BC this noma kwi-sequence etsha. Right. So 72 divided by 4. to take this. So our 3 are enough. If you have 3 values, then are enough. So now 7 we can calculate for n. Because here, when they say how many terms, if they say how many terms, then I say I want you to calculate for n. But for no calculate, I want to total n to 1. I don't got a term in the series at the divided high mobile or 4. So we will go 2. We are go 251. Yeah, one I don't got. So now 16 squares taller. Now 44 squares taller. Now 72. So to la manje a difference. So what is our difference here? So we say 42 minus T1. So we say 44 minus 16 is 28. So simple, guys. So it's 28. Okay. So here, so we know here it's calculated. So that's what is sum. With term yet. No, just add a connect adding. It's term yet you clean. Ilingana no bani. Ilingana no 200. 2 is no bani. No 1,752. Right. So what you need to do here is simple. It's not difference manje. The weight is equal to 28. The weight is 28, then a weight is 16. So once we write down your formula. The formula which says Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So term yethu ugcina kule ku1 ngiyenze equation yami yesibili. Term yethu la ku251 ilingana nobani ilingana u251 ulingana no 1752. So simple. So when I term yethu ugcina la ilingana no 1752, then is equal to, okay, we'll use the formula, guys, and substitute the formula, standard formula for my arithmetic sequence, this one. So and our a here is 28 or 16, I mean, and plus our n is what we're looking for. Then differentiate is 28. So you solve for n here. So you must know the BODMAS rule. First, you calling my bracket simple. Can transpose. You can transpose 16 and times what is inside the bracket, 26n minus 28. Then you transpose 28 and the sign changes. Simple. So say 152 minus 16 minus 16 plus 28. So you get 1,764 is equal to 28n. Divide by 28, divide by 28 both sides, and your n is, take your n, divide by 28. So your n here is 63. So that's your answer. So how many terms? 63 terms in a series that are divisible by 4, that can be divided or that can divided by 4. Then you are done. Simple, guys. Yeah, I know, guys. There's so much to learn. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like. If you have any question, ngikhona i-Facebook page yami and ngakwazi ucomment even la ngezansi. Yeah. Kubaluleke kakhulu nge-math, guys. What you need to know ukuthi you study, make sure you study the formulas. Uyabukisisa la udideka khona, ask abantu abangakusiza, even ingasimina mhlambe mawuthi uyafunda grade 12 uya-upgrader, uhamba esikole la upgrader khona uyabuza, even nabantu ofunda nabo amanye ama-students uyabuza ukuthi ayazi ngisala nalana bekusekwazi ukusiza. Ikona kubalulekile ukuthi wazi math. Makhona afunda amanye ama-video ngakwazi wabuka ney'ncwadi futhi ey'ningi ey'khona ongakwazi ukuthi uqhubeke ufunde ngazo. But nangimina ngikhona, guys, ungangibuza anytime.